Hi, everybody. Paul here with PTZ Optics, and I am here with the CEO of Detect It.
Kevin Kerwin, pleasure to meet you all.
We are at the 2025 Automate Show, and Detect It is unveiling. This is a brand new product.
Yep.
Projected AI.
First time we've shown in public projected AI, where we're coupling our AI camera detections with a projector that has the same field of view as the camera. So we're able to project the actual AI detections down onto the part, so that operators can look right at the work surface, and the system will guide them through different aspects of assembly without the need to look at a monitor.
Now, Kevin, this right here is a Tesla battery, right? A fairly complicated.
It's the penthouse controller for the battery. There is no lithium in here. But
Okay. So, and what we're seeing here is several specific parts that you have a PTZ camera zooming into, doing detections, making sure that it's assembled correctly.
Correct. We're actually using two PTZ cameras. One is the top camera up there that is coupled to the projector to project the field of view down onto the part, so I know where to project stuff. The second camera is secondary. It can zoom around different areas of the part to look at quality of assembly and transmit its detection information to the projector, so that we can show detections of detailed detections of good, bad, done by that camera, but displayed on that projector. So we're able to coordinate multiple cameras together to project their detections on the main projector.
So one of the things you were showing, a really interesting use case here. What is this right here?
This is an electric nut runner, commonly used to tighten nuts and bolts on just about every kind of part you can assemble. Everything's got a nut and a bolt, and the trick is to know what nut or bolt that you have the torque wrench on. So I'm able to see where you have the torque wrench, and then only enable the torque wrench if you're on the correct bolt. If you're not on the correct bolt, we're in a red box here. And as you can see, as I transfer this torque wrench around, the system sees on the screen where I have the torque wrench. So we're able to also enforce spatial tightening sequences, which means basically you can't assemble the bolts in the wrong order. If you have to go 1, 3, 2, 4, we can enforce that. Or if you just need to make sure you tightened all the bolts and didn't miss one, we can ensure that too.
So, well, just to back up a second, so that's pretty exciting. It's very interesting.
It's really cool.
And so you're projecting down. You're just projecting detection boxes.
Correct.
And then are you doing some type of status where green is good and red is...
Yeah, in this basic demo, green is good, bad is red. Normally, we would be running you through an assembly sequence with words that say, step 1, do this. We would watch that you did that step properly with the torque wrench or not, and that you tighten the electrical connector down. And then we would give you step 2 and step 3 and step 4. But for the purposes of the show, it gets hard to do sequence steps, so we kind of just took the steps out, and we were just showing the detections.
So that's why it says, please correct electrical connector 1. So
yes.
You're providing
a
physical written instruction for the operators.
Correct. And this is, I think, the electrical connector. And when we get over to that with the other camera, we'll turn that to a green box because it knows that it's a good connector now.
I see. So this camera here is zooming into specific parts, checking their status.
Specific areas, correct.
Updating the software, which is then projecting it down.
Projected onto the part, correct.
Wow. Very interesting. It's all happening in real time. And then this here is the Detect It runner. This is actually running a custom computer vision
neural network, correct. We have several neural networks running at the same time. I think there's 3 or 4 running here. But now you can see our box is green because our electrical connector is good.
Wow. So projected AI,
yes.
Something that is brand new, just released by
Nobody's got it out there. We're trying to bring projected AI to help operators so they don't have to look at monitors. And also, so if the parts move a little bit, because parts never come into station in the same spot, we can offset those projections.
Wow, so let's just show that real quick. So we're going to move this, and everything is moving with it. Really, really interesting. And you can do that because you have the live video.
Yes, because the camera up there is coupled with a projector in the same field of view.
Wow. Really interesting stuff. You
Thanks.
can learn more at detect-it.ai.
.ai.
And one of the great things about Detect It is if you have a project, they can send you a video
Yeah.
and you'll turn around a proof of
Give us a
concept.
challenge on our website. There's a challenge button in the upper right-hand corner. Take your cell phone, go out to your plant floor, take a little video, 10, 15, 30 seconds, upload it to our challenge page, and we'll build a neural net to detect what you asked and send you a private video back.
You heard it here first from Automate 2025. Let us know what you think in the comments below.
Thank you.